Hey fashion lovers, welcome back to my channel. Today this video has been requested by another subscriber. Yay. So anyway, this subscriber wanted to see a video done on more cut up t-shirts. So this style t-shirt is one that I saw done on TikTok, you guys, and I wanted to go ahead and try to recreate that. So let's jump right into this video. Welcome back. If you have been following my channel for a while, you will have seen a video that I've done on DIY cut up t-shirts. Y'all listen, I love cut up t-shirts. I hate wearing my t-shirts the way that they come straight out the store, okay? So this t-shirt right here, I actually saw done on TikTok. I also saw one done on YouTube as well, and I really like the way that it looks. You can wear this t-shirt as I'm showing you here, or you can leave the side untied and you can wear it so down. I got this whole stack of t-shirts right here, you guys. I have washed and dried all of these t-shirts. So now I'm just going through these shirts. I'm trying to find one that I would like to have this style done on. And right now I haven't found one. This one I like, but it has a round or a curved bottom, and I don't think that that will work. So we're just going to keep looking through this stack to see what we can find. Now you guys, I thought I had found my t-shirt when I pulled this one out. It had great stretch to it. However, I think that it was a little bit too fitted. So you're going to see me right here going back and forth between two shirts until I figure out which one will actually work better. This is the t-shirt that I ended up selecting, and I'm just showing you right here that you just need a pair of scissors. Now I know a lot of people say you need fabric scissors. Listen, I use regular scissors, so to each his own. To get started with this shirt, you just want to lay your shirt down flat, and we're going to cut up the two sides of the shirt. Those are the only two cuts you're going to make at the bottom of the shirt, and then we're going to make a cut at the top of the shirt, and that is it. Very, very simple. So I'm just showing you here that you want to cut your shirt up to maybe the midpoint of the shirt, and we're going to repeat the same thing on the other side. I'm just showing you right here that you want to make sure that you're cutting close to the seam of the shirt.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not. You and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you.
So if you need help making sure that your cuts are equal on both sides, you can use a sheet of paper like I'm doing here, or use a ruler or anything like that just to be able to measure straight across. So now we're just going to flip our shirt over so that we can cut the tag out of the shirt, and so that we can also put a V-neck cut in the neck of the shirt.
Fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna
So
say
we
to
just
me
want to find the
now.
middle
I
point
wanna
of the
wake
shirt.
up with
Now
you
this
in
shirt
the
has a
morning.
triangle that's drawn on the shirt, so we're just going to use the tip of that triangle as the middle point of our shirt. And I'm just using a sheet of paper here to draw a line. Basically, I'm going to be drawing a V right here, and I'm just going to go in with my scissors and cut along the lines that I have drawn, which is going to give me the perfect V-neck shirt. So listen, I'm using a sheet of paper here. Of course, you can use a ruler or, anything like that to get a perfect line. I'm just showing you right here that you do not have to use a ruler. It doesn't have to be that perfect, but anything you have that can give you a straight line, go ahead and use that to make your V-neck. Once you're done making your cut, this is how your shirt should look. This gives you the perfect V-neck every time. So now at the bottom of our shirt, we're going to do what we always do with our cut edges. So we're just going to pull on the shirt to create the curl edges. And you guys, this is what it should look like when you're done. The other side is still showing a blunt cut edge. I'm just giving you a comparison right here. So we're just going to go on the other side, pull along the shirt snugly, just like we did the other side, to create those curl edges. So listen, you guys, that is it. That is it. You have created your perfect V-neck shirt with the side splits. This shirt was very easy to make, as I just showed you. And I'm just gonna go ahead and try on the shirt here so you guys can see how it actually looks. Now listen, you can go ahead and wear this shirt just like this with the two splits on the side. And I actually like the way that this looks.
I think this would look cute with a pair of leggings or tights by the way the shirt is split on the sides like that.
Now, however, if you want to wear the shirt the way that I showed you when this video first started, we're just going to take one side of the shirt that is cut, and we're going to tie that side together. I don't know. Would you guys wear your shirts like this? Let me know what you guys think down in the comment box. And as always, I appreciate you guys for watching my videos. And I will catch you all on the next video. Also, please look out for more DIY cut up t-shirt videos such as this. Peace, y'all.